Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install your Facebook pixel code on Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder that you want to install your Facebook pixel on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to connect my Facebook or MetaPixel on it, just click on these three dots or more settings and select integrations and click on this Facebook pixel button. You will see this field here, add your Facebook pixel ID. In my case, this is my Facebook pixel. I will copy it like that. Paste it here, click on save. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Click on save. And don't forget to click on this update website button or click on this one from this corner. It's the same thing. Now let's give my website a visit. This is my website. I'm sure that my Facebook pixel is installed successfully. Now I will show you how to make sure that your Facebook or Meta pixel code is successfully installed on your website. Install this extension called MetaPixel Helper. Just search for it on Google and visit this Chrome Web Store search results. Click on Add to Chrome, add extension. MetaPixel Helper has been added to Chrome. Now I will return to my website, refresh it. Now click on this extensions icon and you will see next to MetaPixel Helper, you will see this number 1 in this red square. This means that this website has one Facebook or MetaPixel detected. If you click on it, you will see the exact pixel code or pixel ID. I will open mine here. As you see, it starts with 11 and ends with 57. Same thing, 11, 57. And this is how to install your Facebook pixel code on Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.